What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. And in this video we're going to look at a display property, and display property when it has the value of inline block. So let's say right now we have a 6 divs over here, right? And very easy way, I'm just gonna float them left and show them how we can create nice boxes, right? So I'm just gonna go over here, quick edit, and I'm gonna say the usual float left. And obviously we know that we need to set the width, so let's just say I'm going to set the width of 100 pixels over here, and I'm going to set the height of 100 pixels, and just so we could see the boxes not just in a live preview but in general, we obviously need to make our famous border, again the 2 pixels solid blue in this case, right? So now we have 6 divs, and let's check it out how they look like, right? So as I'm making the screen bigger, you can see that I have 4 divs over here. They just fill up the space, and then there's 2 more in the next line. So what I want to do is actually I just want to add a margin around them like this, and I want to say that, let's say margin is going to be like 10 pixels. So now they look a little bit nicer, and I can place whatever I want within those divs, right? But let's say that I have a next paragraph over here, that I just create a paragraph, and within that paragraph I say hello world, and you can see right away what's happening, that it's actually pushing all the way to the top, because these floating elements are actually in their own, technically in their own universe, right? Right now it's not pushing all the way to the top. You can see that it's pushing all the way right next to these 2 divs, but that's not what we want, right? What we know already, that if we add over here a clear property, if I go over here and I say new rule and I say that I want clear, and obviously since I have been floating these divs, you can see over here to the left, obviously over here if I write clear left like this, I say clear left, you can see that what's happening, that it's actually going back into the line where it's supposed to be, and you can see that I have 6 boxes over here and I have hello world underneath, right? But let's change around a little bit and let's actually use the display inline property, right? But not in display inline, but in display inline block. So what we do over here, we go back to our divs where we were working, and we say display, and I say not block, not inline, I say display inline block. And you see what is happening right now. That right away, the box is only filling up the space, where basically it's making the space of 3 and the next line in 3, because right now our boxes not only have a width, but they have a width and a height. So therefore everything is filling up nicely, and also we actually don't need to use whenever we're using the clear, whenever we are using inline block, we don't need to use the clear. So I can just delete this and it's still going to do the same thing, because right now you can see that not only I have a width, I have also the height, right? So what is happening, that's actually a understanding that we need to, whenever line we're creating over here, we don't need to worry about actually writing a clear left, right, or both, or anything like that. So therefore it's very nice to use the actually inline block property. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.